Hello friends, welcome to How to Learn channel. This is data engineering stream. Yeah, we're starting a new stream, data engineering. I've been reading quite a lot about data engineering, why I chose data engineering, and when the decision about data engineering choice, everything. I will discuss it in another video. But this is a very quick demo on the first step, which is to set up Docker. So today we are going to set up Docker engine on Linux 9. Could be RHL or Oracle Linux. I chose Oracle Linux, and I'll show you the procedures, the steps. It's very well documented in the Docker website. I'll share you the URL probably as a reference guide. And yeah, here you go. Yeah, this is the document I referenced, and the document is also very easy to follow and very clear. So you should be also able to pick it up and set it up on your own. I'm just going to walk you through the outputs such that in case if you face any issues, you can be very sure that what you received as an output is actually correct or is expected or is it not. So at least that it will help. This video will help. Alright, let's go into this video because like I said, this is a very quick video. I already completed the installation, right? So as per the procedure that is given here, I followed all the steps. The first step is to uninstall the old versions. Sudo dnf remove docker. Okay, so I already finished it. You can see here dnf remove docker, and you need to follow this. I already finished it here, so I'll just walk you through the outputs. You can see here you're starting the docker setup, and you can see here this is nothing. I mean, nothing is already installed, so we don't need to uninstall them. So DNF is the latest package manager from RHL 8 and 9 onwards. M is for old versions 7 and 8, 7 and 6, so on. So I started using DNF as well. And so no match or for argument. You see this message, so nothing is installed. So we move on to the next step. Next step is to install the Docker repository. By default, you will not have the repository for Docker installed. By default, you will have, I think, the Oracle repository if it's on Oracle Linux. And if it's a CentOS, you will might have CentOS public repositories. So we need to install the Docker repo. So we install the DNF plugins and then the Docker repository. Initially, I don't think I had. So it's already there, DNF plugin core. Next, after I installed added the Docker repo, I could see the Docker repo reporting here. So you can see here. This is what happened. I forgot to add this output. So you can see download docker.com was added, the repository is added, and I am reporting the repo list. I see the Docker repository now available. Apart from that, I have Oracle Linux, Unbreakable Enterprise Kernel, AppStream, and Base OS latest. So these were the stream switches available. I could have tested this in Oracle 10 as well, but 9 has its own life for another few years. So I thought I'll do it in 9 because 9 is very well established already. So next, we wanted to install the Docker. Next command. And I'm not showing you the document because I just followed the document. I wanted to mainly focus on the outputs and discussing about the output. So that's why I'm focusing on the command and output. Installing the Docker, you will install Docker CA. It's the engine, command line, and container IO, buildx plugin, and then compose plugin. So they're for building and composing the Docker images, I guess. So do you see here? When you install it, this many dependencies are there. These are the main packages that we asked for, and it automatically resolves this and installs them. It takes only a few minutes to complete, and it's completed. So you can see here. It's how it happens. So you can see here it's downloading from the Docker repo. Is downloaded, and the installation is completed as well. Now systemctl, if you see, if I run systemctl to report the services available, Docker will not be reported as a service because we didn't add the service set. So to add the service, we need to enable auto start for the Docker on reboot. So when you do like this, systemctl enable now Docker, The Docker service will be added to the systemctl. After I ran the command, you can see here created symlink. I must to keep that output here. Yeah, it's already here. And then systemctl, you will see here Docker available. Probably show you here, that's better easy. See Docker, and docker.service is already there. Docker application container engine CE means. So it's already there. And then I am starting the Docker, and you can see the status active running. Alright, so Docker is running now, and we wanted to check whether the Docker is properly installed using hello world Docker. So we start the Docker run hello world. Initially it says this image is not found, so we need to download it. It pulled it and it said hello from Docker, this message, so that installation appears to be working correctly. So this is it, guys. So I just wanted to show you this. I think the purpose of this video is met, and like I said, this is the beginning of the data engineering videos. You will I hope you'll get to see more such videos coming in. Being a DBA, data engineering is the obvious choice, first choice for me, because I feel myself I'm very confident in SQL. So I thought I choose data engineering, and also I'm very good at managing the database. So why not we start managing unstructured data as well? So yeah, I'll talk about that in another video, and we'll see. Yeah, thanks for staying with me until now. And if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and subscribe to How to Learn channel. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.